Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. This is the 5th of July 2015. Just read an interesting article posted on AZ Central. I'll attach the link, you're not going to have to look for it. This was posted on the 26th of June, 2017. Arizona had 191 opioid overdoses, 15 deaths last week. 15 opioid suspected deaths were recorded last week here in Arizona, the State Department of Health Services said Monday. Those deaths were among the 191 opioid overdoses cases overall recorded from June the 15th through June the 22nd, the agency said, further highlighting a problem that has drawn national attention in the past year. The opioid epidemic has prompted a state and national public health response with measures to raise awareness about the dangers of overprescribing pain pills and to make the overdose rescue medication naloxone more widely available. Governor Doug Ducey issued an executive order on June the 13th requiring ADHS to present opiate-related statistics each week. And what good's that going to do? Ex-company executives face investigations over opioid spray patient deaths. ADHS said there was reported 18 babies with drug-related withdrawal symptoms last week. The agency said 62% of overdoses were male, and those between 35 to 44 were most affected, with nearly 40% in Maricopa County. There were 106 overdoses last week and 50 in Pima County. There were 790 reported opioid deaths in Arizona in 2016. That's insane. The largest yearly amount in Arizona's history, according to ADHS, with 15 last week. Opiate suspected deaths are predicted to be on par with 2016, total state health officials said. Quote, "We'll be using this data to see where we can intervene and prevent future overdoses and deaths." And how do you propose to do that by just looking at the data? Huh? Bring our troops back from Afghanistan. Let the poppy fields be destroyed by the Taliban. Chris said naloxone, an antidote that can reverse the effects of an opioid overdose, can be obtained in pharmacies without a prescription. A total of 102 naloxone doses were administered outside of the hospital by emergency medical services, law enforcement, and others last week, ADH said. Another 51 naloxone doses were dispensed to the public by pharmacies. You're going to see a little chart as well, and it breaks down to various counties here in Arizona, and it highlights the number of people that are dying as a result of the opiate epidemic. Now this is just Arizona. What do you think's going on in Chicago? How about California? Huh? This is an epidemic of unbelievable proportion. You want to stop it? Bring our military back. Shut down the poppy fields. Absolutely insane. Take a look at the chart. Take a look at your own state statistics. Thanks for listening.